folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax Panama City Beach. I wanted to share with you a brand new boat that just has become available. This is a 2018 Harris Crown 270. Folks, this is Harris' premier line of their Tri-Toon boats. I want to take just a minute to point out a few things. There's so many features on this boat. There's too many to list and we have the time for. This is an amazing boat and priced exceptionally well. As you can see, as we start here from the front, you've got these nice driving lights that'll come on at night. You've got a couple LED lights on here. You can see the fiberglass on this boat as we walk. And notice down here on the pontoons, this right here is what we call a Vantage Wrap Pontoon Protection. This is really nice. It looks good too. It's in the carbon fiber looking color. It's really nice, so when you're up at the dock, it helps if you're banging up against the slips in the docks. Protects your pontoons, okay? As we walk back here to the back, I definitely got to show you what really just separates this from a lot of other Crowns out there. Look at this Mercury 400 racing motor. Folks, this boat right here is the Tri-Toon that you'll see out on the water that are just blowing by all the other center console boats, and it's a blast to ride. Another neat feature is, look at this drop down swim platform. So you can drop this down and sit right on the water, right up to your chest. That's just a neat feature that's added onto this boat. But folks, come on up aboard. I just want to point out a few things for you, okay? Let's go. Okay everyone, here we are aboard this 2018 Harris 270 Crown. As you can see, what is this boat all about? Relaxation. There's so much room on this boat. Now remember, this is a 27-foot boat, but overall length with extended swim platform is 29 feet. Folks, this is so enjoyable, so relaxing. Notice this beautiful custom wood table. It's super, super nice. You've got plenty of room to lounge out here. And I don't know if you can see, it's daytime here, but you've got the ambiance of the courtesy lights all on the floor here, as well back here on the sport arch. Now a big thing about this boat too, notice it has a double bimini top. So you can fold this one down, get in the sun if you want. However, if you're out in the sandbar, the island all day, you've got plenty of shade. And if we come back here, look at this nice wet bar. You've got a sink here. You've got plenty of storage down here, stainless steel I might add, okay? Notice how all the cup holders are lit. If you look everywhere in the boat, every cup holder down here, look right here folks, all these are lit. You really have to see this boat on the water at night as well. But how about this? Got your own bar here for your favorite cocktails, your libations, you know, whatever your drink of preference is. If you come up here to the helm, it has everything that you would need at the helm. It has your GPS chart plotter, sonar bottom machine, has your JNL audio stereo system, all of your controls are right here. It has the active trim. Now you ask, what's active trim? So you know how you can trim your motor up and down manually yourself, depending on the season conditions. Well, you can set this to be an active trim, so based on the condition that the boat and motor is running in, it will automatically trim accordingly. That's a neat feature. Let's go to the aft of the boat. I'll point out a few awesome things. You got plenty of seating back here. Now, on most all pontoons and Tri-Toons, this backrest is manual. Not on a Crown. Remember I said Crown is their premier line. You've got a remote here. You can just lay back as far as you want to go, okay? As well as when you walk back here to the back of the boat, let's say you're at the sandbar, you're at the island, we can bring all this all the way down as far as you want to just lay back here in the back. Oh my goodness. Like I said, this boat is all about just relaxing. But look how much room is back here. Cup holders, control the stereo from right here. USB ports to charge your phones, friends and family. Again, the bimini back here if you want to shade. You have your ski pylon, 2 pylon here. Folks, this is just an incredible boat. And again, this is their premier line and priced under anything that I've seen out there in the market. Boat only has about 60 hours on it, on that 400R racing motor. So again, my name is Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Feel free to reach out to me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.